The preliminary phase sets the stage before architecture work. Enterprise architecture is your organization's big picture plan, like a city plan. The ADM is TOGAF's step-by-step recipe. The preliminary phase is a one-time setup done just once before the ADM cycle begins. Picture a small bakery wanting to start selling its fresh bread online. This is the ADM cycle. 8 phases in a clockwise ring, phase A through H, then back to A. At the center sits requirements management, linked to every phase, tying it all together. Each box is a step you repeat every time around. But the preliminary phase is different. It's just set up, done once, before you step on. Before any planning begins, the organization itself must be prepared. The preliminary phase decides who does the work, what rules they follow, what tools they use, and how far the plan reaches. Like setting up a kitchen before baking, buying equipment, setting rules, hiring staff. It readies everything so the ADM cycle runs smoothly. The preliminary phase answers 5 questions. Where? Which parts of the organization the plan covers? What? The framework, tools, and templates you'll use. Why? The business reason driving it. Who? The team and their roles. How? The principles, shared rules, and governance that keep everyone in line, like a referee. The preliminary phase produces 5 outputs. First, a tailored architecture framework, fit to your organization. Second, architecture principles, the ground rules. Third, an organizational model, who decides what. Fourth, a governance framework, the referee. And fifth, an initial repository, the empty filing cabinet. All feed phase A. Watch a bakery run its preliminary phase. The scope, the counter, kitchen, and new online orders, not the accountant down the road. They use just enough TOGAF, because customers now want to order from home. The team is the owner, one baker, and a tech-savvy helper. Rules: keep customer details private, buy nothing unaffordable, owner approves every change. The result feeds phase A's architecture vision. The preliminary phase is the one-time setup that sits outside the ADM ring and feeds into phase A. Do it well: a ready team, agreed principles, a tailored framework, governance in place, and an empty repository, and the whole cycle that follows stands firm.